Hey guys, welcome back to Sack's Garage. I am Sack and this is my garage. We are on day 2 of our Turbo Coyote Ranger build. And if you remember from last time, we took the drivetrain out. Drivetrain is completely gone now. So the goals for today. At the end of the day, we need to measure from hub to hub because there's 2 different sizes for the Mustang 2 front suspension kit that I am looking to buy, and we need to figure out which one we need. So we are going to jack it up, pull the wheels off, get that measurement, but other things we need to do is finish cleaning up the truck to get ready for the roll cage that was ordered this week. It's going to be here in about 3 weeks, so the goal is to get the truck prepped now, and then once the cage gets here and the front suspension, we can get it to the rod shop to get the cage and front end installed. Normally I like to do all this stuff myself, but when it comes to safety and then having the front end lined up perfectly, I'm actually going to pay someone to do it just to make sure it's done correctly the first time, because that is a lot of money, and when it comes to safety, that's one of the things that you don't want to skimp on. So we're gonna have the professionals do it. So this whole front end will be gone after they are done. We are going to remove this master cylinder here, get that taken out, and then from the inside, our goals for today are to get all the little things taken out. So the pedals that are down there are going to get taken out. Got to pull the passenger handle there, the light there, this crossbar we installed for our shoulder harness, take out the fire extinguisher, just little stuff like that. And then finally, the last thing that we have to do before we do this and give the truck to the shop is actually take out the rear window. It looks like you just pry it out with the screwdriver, so we're going to be super careful with that. But this rear window needs to come out. They requested that for the cage install, but the goal is to actually have the bars, the rear runners, actually come out from this part up here. It's just big enough, it looks like. And the glass doesn't really stick into here at all. It's just held in by this really thick seal. So we should be able to get the bars to come back out here and then reinstall this rear window so that it remains stock. Other than that, let's get to work. Alright guys, so we got that rear window out, got all the pedals and stuff cleaned up, and then got that crossbar out. The crossbar, initially thought I would just be able to cut it out and then kind of grind it down. But once I started going at it, the angle was a little difficult. But I realized that it's just thin sheet metal and it just bends and snaps. So I just kind of wiggled it out. As you guys saw there, there's now 2 holes on either side of the truck, which is fine. The truck is already ugly. A couple holes is not going to concern me. But for now, we are going to get the master cylinder disconnected, get all the fluid out of the system to the best of our ability, and then measure between those hubs, and we'll be done for the day. So with that, here's a time lapse, and we will see you next time on Sack's Garage.